experiment with something here today. Alright, so one of the things I've been super into recently is F1, and as a result I must consume every bit of my obsessions that I possibly can. So recently I found out that these exist. Even more cool, I found out that my Walmart carries them. So we're gonna do a pack opening. Got my adult beverage right here. Got the camera weirdly pointed down at my crotch because I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do with this yet. And this one. Got 5 packs today, 10 cards each. See if we can pull something fun. Alright. Bop. Wow, that's already something weird and something I don't have. Boop. Oh, uh-oh. Lando Norris. Another F2 hero card. I'm trying to do this the correct way. Another F2 hero card. Trackmaster Lewis Hamilton that I think I already have. Fernando Alonso. I keep turning it towards me instead of toward the camera, but it's cool. We'll figure it out. Sergio Perez. Another Sergio. Most Improved, which I'm pretty sure I already have. And a race winner, Danny Rick. Very cool. Yeet. Was that 10 cards? I don't even actually count these. I feel like card companies would like totally rip us off. Yeet. Another Danny Rick. I think I needed that. I'm going for like full sets of all the base cards. So I think I needed that. I might have needed that too. Vettel. Another Alonso. Another epic moment, Lewis Hamilton. Checo. I also don't know if I'm talking loud enough to actually pick it up, so we're stopping. Superstar Magnussen. And a Grand Prix booster, Lando Norris. Two out of 3 packs down. Let's skip a pack. See if I can get anything real neat and fancy. I doubt it. All of the good cards I have came out of the tins that I picked up, but we'll see. Leclerc. Danny Rick. Another F2 hero, of which I don't watch. I think I have all the team principals, to be honest. Hero Albon. Another F2. Max Verstappen hero. Oh, Alpha Tauri. Team duo. Oh yeah, more Grand Prix boosters. Leclerc and another Danny Rick. Another one I got already was Norris. Still nothing amazing, I don't think. And my air conditioner has stopped, so maybe you can actually hear me. Probably should have waited, but, you know, it is what it is. McLaren's car. Oh. I have like 3 of these already, so yay. Bottas. Vettel. Gunther Steiner. Off the track Hamilton. Epic moment Ocon. Off the track Perez. Another F2 hero. Those are great. Great. I know I have all of these already. Well, we got 1 pack left. Money pack. Hoping for the best. It is right here. No, I don't feel it. I feel nothing. I'm empty inside. sip our adult beverage real quick. Oh, it is. Norris. I saw it. Signs. Stroll. Marcus Armstrong, F2. I can say that name pretty confidently. Lewis Hamilton. Williams, Principal. Epic Moment, Verstappen. AlphaTauri. Haas. And it's right there. Well, I think I actually have one of these already. Something like it. There's a purple. Oh, and it's not even... What? Well, I got a 319 in the corner. Usually these are numbered on the back. But this one isn't. It must be the green ones that I have that are numbered. Oh well. I mean, I'll see all the data, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more of these, possibly with some more energy in the future. I also do Pokemon cards because I'm a nerd. Peace. I don't know how the camera's facing. Peace. Later. Okay, guys, thanks. That was the video. I'm just adding this on the end because I don't really know what to do. So thanks for watching if you did. I don't really know how to shoot one of those videos, or a video like that where I'm opening. I don't know. I don't really know what to do with the channel at this point. I want to keep making videos, but I don't really have the time. I'm going to keep on trying, so it's also very late when I'm shooting this, so another sip of the adult beverage. But if you made it this far, let me know. I've got like a whole binder of the F1 Turbo Attax cards. So like, if I don't know, if anybody at all seems interested, I'll probably make a video where I go through the whole collection so far. Probably do some like Pokemon card videos in the future too, because I've got a whole mess of those as well. So I don't know. Let me know if anybody watches this. We'll see. Might just keep doing it for fun. I don't really care. But I don't know. I wanted to add a little more at the end of that video. So one of my cats is screaming from another room. Okay, bye.